What if I told you that one free AI tool could replace hours of writing, researching, brainstorming, planning, and even marketing every single week? And what if that tool could become your personal business assistant, working 24 hours a day without asking for a salary? In 2026, entrepreneurs who know how to use AI are building faster, creating more content, and growing businesses with fewer people. The surprising part? Most people are using ChatGPT completely wrong. Today, I'll show you exactly how beginners can turn ChatGPT into a powerful business assistant, even if you've never used AI before. By the end of this video, you'll have your own AI-powered workflow that helps with content creation, email writing, research, marketing, and daily business tasks. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let's understand what ChatGPT actually is. Think of ChatGPT as an intelligent assistant trained on vast amounts of information. You can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, create content, solve problems, write emails, analyze information, and much more. The better your instructions, the better the results. This is why entrepreneurs worldwide are making ChatGPT part of their daily workflow. Step 1 is creating your account. Visit ChatGPT and sign up using your email address, Google account, Apple account, or Microsoft account. The free version is enough to start learning. As your business grows, you can upgrade for more advanced features. Once you're inside, spend a few minutes setting things up correctly. Many beginners skip this step, but these settings dramatically improve results. Open settings and customize ChatGPT. Tell it, I am an entrepreneur. I create content. I run a business. I want professional, actionable responses. This allows ChatGPT to understand your goals and provide more relevant answers. Now let's talk about the most important skill, prompting. A prompt is simply an instruction you give ChatGPT. The quality of your prompt determines the quality of your output. A bad prompt sounds like this. Write a post. A better prompt sounds like this. Write a LinkedIn post for small business owners explaining how AI saves time. Use a professional tone and include a call to action. Notice the difference? Specific instructions create better results. Here's a simple formula: role, task, context, output. For example, act as a marketing expert. Create a 30-day content plan for a new AI consulting business. Present it in a table. This one formula can improve almost every response you get. Now let's explore business use case. Number 1, content creation. Many entrepreneurs spend hours creating social media posts. ChatGPT can help generate Facebook posts, LinkedIn content, Instagram captions, blog outlines, video scripts, newsletters, and much more. Imagine typing, create 30 content ideas for entrepreneurs interested in AI automation. Within seconds, ChatGPT provides a month's worth of ideas. That's the power of AI-assisted content creation. Business use case number 2, email writing. Whether you're contacting clients, partners, suppliers, or prospects, ChatGPT can help you write professional emails in seconds. Example prompt: write a professional follow-up email to a client who hasn't responded in 2 weeks. Polite, friendly, clear call to action. Done. Business use case number 3, research. Entrepreneurs constantly need information. Market research, competitor analysis, industry trends, customer pain points. ChatGPT helps organize information quickly. Instead of spending hours browsing websites, ask, what are the biggest challenges facing small business owners in 2026? What AI trends should entrepreneurs watch? What problems can I solve for my target audience? Business use case number 4, marketing. ChatGPT can help create marketing campaigns, sales copy, landing page content, lead magnets, advertisements, product descriptions, customer personas. For example, act as a digital marketer. Create a Facebook ad promoting an AI productivity course. Target busy entrepreneurs. Highlight time-saving benefits. This produces a ready-to-use marketing asset in seconds. Now let's combine everything we've learned into a simple business assistant workflow. Every morning, ask ChatGPT to summarize important industry news, generate content ideas, draft emails, plan marketing activities, brainstorm new offers, create social media content, review business goals. Within 30 minutes, ChatGPT can help organize tasks that might normally take several hours. That's why entrepreneurs who master AI gain a significant competitive advantage. Today's challenge: build your own business assistant. Create a ChatGPT account. Update your settings. Save 5 business prompts. Generate 1 piece of content. Write 1 email. Research 1 business problem. Congratulations! You've just started building an AI-powered business system. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Skill Yield Lab because this is only the beginning. Over the next episodes, we'll master the most powerful AI tools entrepreneurs are using to save time, increase productivity, and grow faster. Remember, AI won't replace entrepreneurs, but entrepreneurs who use AI will outperform those who don't. In the next episode, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to create an entire month's worth of content in less than 1 hour. We'll cover content planning, prompt templates, AI content workflows, multi-platform posting, and automation techniques that help content practically create itself. You won't want to miss it. Comment below. What would you like ChatGPT to help you automate? And don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share it with another entrepreneur who needs an AI assistant. See you in the next episode.